Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening everyone. So today we will move to group discussion 4, and before that we would like to introduce myself, and we are from LAX2019 DIY project group 78. So before that I will introduce myself first and you guys will follow us. So my name is Nurul Shahada binti Zayadi. My metric number is 196308 and I'm taking Bachelor of Accounting. How about you, Ilya?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ilya Rusmai Sarah binti Rusdu. My metric number is 199137 and I'm also taking Bachelor of Accounting. So how about you, Amira?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahdatul Amira binti Saiful Adli. My number metric 206241. I'm from Bachelor Komunikasi. How about you, Syami Syaukina?
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So my name is Syami Syaukina Balkis binti Nur Syahidan and my metric number is 199124 and I am taking Bachelor of Accounting. How about you, Atira?
My name is Atira Natasha binti Suzaimi. My metric number 198374 and I'm also taking Bachelor in Accounting. So how about you, Saiful?
My name is Saiful Mukmin bin Sudin and my metric number is 200442. I'm from Bachelor Science Plantation Management. Okay, then how about you, Sabri?
Very good afternoon and hello everyone. My name is Sabri bin Muhammad. My metric number is 200899 and I'm also from Bachelor of Science in Plantation Management from Faculty of Agriculture. How about you, Irfan Rosli?
Thank you, Sabri. My name is Wan Muhammad Irfan bin Warosli. My metric number is 200496. I'm taking Bachelor of Science Plantation Management. How about you, Shansiba?
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Shamsibar. My metric number is 202708. I'm also from Bachelor of Science Plantation Management. So next, how about you, Nur Syahira Nafisa?
Hi guys, my name is Nur Syahira Nafisa. My metric number is 198862 and I'm from Bachelor of Accounting.
Okay, so we all have introduced ourselves, and let's continue to our group discussion, which is presented by Shamsiba and Saiful Mukmin, if I'm not mistaken, right? So with our project, which is loudspeaker. Okay, you may start now.
Can the host enable share screen?
Then
Okay, hello. So as you know, I'm with my pay, Saiful Mukmin. We'll already make our DIY project, which is DIY loudspeaker. So as you can see in the picture at the right side, this is that is our DIY project, DIY loudspeaker. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, what you need to make DIY loudspeaker? First thing is we need 2 water bottles. Second, we need potato chip container. Next, we need tools like marker pen, scissor, and glue. Next, we need spray pen. It is optional. And lastly, we of course need our phone lah. Okay, next, okay, we go to the first step. So the first step, we need to cut a hole at the bottom of the potato chip container, like in the picture at the left side. We can use we need to use a knife to make a hole. Okay. Next is step 2. We need to cut a rectangular shape that fit the size of user's phone. The the area of the cut is at the middle of the potato chip container. Okay. Okay. Step 3 is we need to cut both of the water bottle that I mentioned before in half, like shown in the picture on the left. As you guys can see, we already marked the half of the bottle with the red line. So the result after the cutting is you can see at the picture, in the picture at the right side. Okay, next step will be presented by Saiful Mumin.
Okay, for the step 4, we need to cut a circle, a hole at the water bottles. Firstly, we will using the potato chip container to use as the guideline to draw the circle, and the circle we will be using marker because regular pen cannot use. Then after we get the mark, the circle mark, we use knife or scissors and cut the hole. You can see in the figure. Okay, for the step 5, we just need to combine all the component, the 2 water bottles and the potato chips container. Then we will be using our glue to stick them together. By doing so, we already finished our DIY loudspeaker. And for the step step 6 is optional. We can, for me and Shamsiba, we were using spray pen in black color. We spray our DIY loudspeaker. But other people can use other option like stickers or wrapping paper, something like that. Okay, that's all of the step for making DIY loudspeaker. So I will open Q&A section if any one of you have any question. Thank you.
Can I see
Yeah.
like how you put your phone in the speaker and how does it sound?
I can show you, but I do not guarantee the results because we were using computer, right? Wait. Okay, as you guys can see, we put our phone in the middle here. So what does it do? When our volume came out from the bottom of the phone, it will reflect inside the speaker, then came out on the both side. So the sound will reflect to the right direction that you put the speaker. I don't guarantee to demo over here because we were using mic, not people. You guys still wanna listen?
Try.
Wait,
Request song.
do you have any suggestion for song?
Anime song.
Wow, interesting.
Make it closer to your mic. Closer to your mic.
I think that's enough.
Yeah,
Your
I think it's a great idea for having this loudspeaker, as we can hear more loud of the music you want to play. But I would like to ask, do you encounter any if we cut the the circle in the bottle, right? And it does usually when we cut it have like not compact enough from the potato chip and to insert to the bottle, right? But it have a little gap. Did it affect the loudspeaker sound?
Of course it does, because we were talking about reflection of sound. When there's a gap of hole, the sound can came out over through the hole of gap. So it will not came out 100% through the what they call it, the place they're supposed to came out, something like that. You understand?
All right, thank you.
I have a question for you, Mumin.
Wait a bit, Sabri. For the question before, I have a solution. The solution is by we can use something like clay or plasticines to close all the gap that we made a mistake from the cutting, so we can have more efficient sounds. Okay.
All
Okay, Sabri,
right.
you can continue.
Can you use all type of bottle to make that speaker? Like, 100 plus bottle look different, right? From, like, for example, the FNN bottle and also other type of bottle. So can you use any type of the bottle?
Okay, Sabri, thank you for the question. So basically we can use any type of bottle, but we use two type of bottle, right? So two bottle. So the two bottle need to be uniform lah, to make the DIY loudspeaker. You can use different type, but the shape of the DIY loudspeaker will not so good lah. That's how to answer your question.
I have a question. Other than potato chip container, is there any tools that can be used beside potato chip container?
Of course, we can use toilet paper to to replace potato chip container.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I have a question. Um, when you guys were doing this DIY project, was it hard for you to find the material, or was it easy?
Um, so far we haven't encountered any difficulty because all the ingredient or the material that we use, we found it in our trash bin. Yeah, that's why we didn't use toilet paper roll, because we use the potato chip container because I found it in my trash bin, so I just use it. So to sum it up, uh, our project is recycle material project. Okay. Okay.
I want to uh, I want to add something. I think the most difficult step is when we want to do a circle because we need both of me and Mu'min need to cooperate to make the mark for the hole. That's all.
We
I
cannot hear
have.
you,
Okay.
Irfan.
Sorry.
Are you saying something? I saw your mouth
Yeah.
moving.
Can you hear
Never
me?
mind, never mind.
Can you hear
Yes,
me
yes,
now?
yes,
Oh, yeah. I
yes.
want to ask a question. One question. Is the speaker only used for hearing music? Because the hole that we make on the potato chips bottle is suitable for put a phone in a vertical position. But how can we make it uh, can be used for we watch a movie and we want to use a speaker?
Okay, that's a good question. And my answer is our model is the easiest to make. We can make a model for movies. Maybe like cutting the rectangle shape in the shape of your phones, like horizontally. You understand what I mean? So maybe by doing so, we could watch the movie and use the loudspeaker at the same time. But I think to do that is a little bit difficult than our current model. You can do it, but depends on you if you want to struggle a bit. Okay, that's all.
Thank you.
I have a question. Is it possible to make a mini speaker because your model is large speaker, right? That's all.
Okay. So for the answer is I think we can use this one. This one to replace the potato chip container. So you can see it is smaller than potato chip can, but it's still with but we still can use it to replace the potato chip container. So bottle pun so the bottle we also can use the smaller size for the 500 mil kan. So
Okay, thank you.
okay, thank you.
Okay, is there any other person want to ask question or did not ask answering question again? Answer question anything? So no, okay. We all have discussed about this DIY project, and thank you for Saiful Mu'min and Shamsiba. It was a great DIY project, and it is useful for us. So for the next occasion, I would like to ask, do anybody want to volunteer themselves for the next video group discussion 5? I think, can we
My group, me and Shahidato, we would like to volunteer. Are you okay with it, Shahidato?
Yes, I okay.
is there any disagreement on this?
Wait,
I totally agree.
after Atira, there's only one group left, right?
Yes.
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 I think basket did not present their
Not present
their.
today.
So
Not
it's okay.
present.
Just we will discuss for the next discussion video. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you everyone for coming to this discussion video. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye.